Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau palette. This palette is so pretty. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit different than like other palettes that ABH has launched, but this is what it looks like. I have a lot of like earthy tones, green shades, and then this really pretty pop of purple. So I'm really excited to try this one out. We'll do a couple swatches, so let's get started. So there is a mirror on the top, and then you have all these gorgeous shades. So I'm going to swatch the shade Wings, Wisteria, Lily, and Peacock. So starting on my pointer finger, and all these shades are so creamy and so highly pigmented. I love this purple shade. They're just such gorgeous pigmented colors. I think they're gonna look gorgeous on the eyes. So my lids already are primed with a little bit of concealer. I'm just gonna start out with some really neutral transition shades. These are both matte, so I'm just gonna mix these two colors right here on a Morphe M441 brush and just apply this to the outer corners of the eyes. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Liberty, which is a green matte shade, and using the same brush and just blending this right over top. And I'm just going to go over that again and build those colors up. The shade so far is blending so perfectly. I'm going in with a little bit of concealer on a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to cut the crease. So I'm just starting towards the inner corners and dragging that up. And now I'm going in with a smaller flat eyeshadow brush. This is a Morphe M124. I'm going into this green shimmery color called Wings. I'm just going to place this right on the inner corners of that concealer. And using another flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going into the shade Lily, which is this gorgeous, it's kind of like a rose gold color, but it's going to look so pretty against the green. I'm just going to place this right onto the center of the lid. Then to deepen up the outer corners a little bit more, I'm going to go into the shade Hope, which is this dark green shimmery color, on a small flat eyeshadow brush on the very outer part of the shade we just applied. I think I'm going to try to use this purple eyeshadow color called Wisteria, and I'm just going to use this on the lower lash line. I'm mainly just focusing it on the inner half of the lower lash line. The outer half I'm going back into the shade Liberty. I think I'm going to add some black liquid liner to this look today, so I'm going in with my Rem Beauty black liquid liner and just adding some winged liner. So for my lashes today, I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina lashes and just popping these on. Then I am just going to add some black pencil liner to my waterline as well as some mascara. And I'm just finishing up the eyes by adding some inner corner liner. And to do that, I used the shade Muse from the palette, which is this dark shimmery color. So I just went ahead and finished up the rest of my face makeup, and for my lip color today, I went with a Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss in the shade Diva, and this is the finished look. So I love the palette. The formula of all of these shades in here is so amazing. Everything blended beautifully. There was really no fallout, and everything was super pigmented. So I really liked this palette. And like I said earlier, the colors in this one are a little bit different than some other Anastasia palettes that are already out. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!